If you don't set expectations, somebody else is going to set them for you. This is true of customers, right? If we don't tell a customer what to expect, they're going to think something completely different than what is actually going to go on. Some of you have kids. If you don't set expectations with the kids as to what's going to happen, they get a totally different idea of what they think is going to go down today, right? So listen, the best thing you can do, whether it's with employees, customers, kids, acquaintances, friends, whatever it might be, spouses, set expectations. Discuss expectations so that everybody knows and everybody's expecting a similar thing. It may not always be exactly the same, but set expectations, especially with your customers if you want to grow higher levels of customer satisfaction. Tell them what's going to happen, tell them what time it's going to happen in, and meet those expectations, and you're going to have incredibly high levels of customer trust. Just wait and see. Go set some expectations right now.